DashCam. Call 1-800-XFINITY or visit a store to learn more.
Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and auto pay. New gigabit internet customers only. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity Internet up to 24 months. Regular rates apply to all services and devices.
Get ready for a record-scratching, beat-dropping, guitar-smashing, encore-chanting best night ever, every night. This is Live in Vegas, featuring artists like Silk Sonic, The Weeknd, Kendrick Lamar, Imagine Dragons, Katy Perry, Pitbull, and Lionel Richie, plus everything else that makes Las Vegas like nowhere else on the planet. Because you're not just seeing a show, you're seeing a show in Vegas, where you can enjoy live to the fullest. See the full lineup at visitlasvegas.com.
This November, Californians will have a choice between two initiatives on sports betting. What's at stake? We have a chance to tax and regulate sports betting to fund permanent solutions to our homelessness crisis. That's Prop 27. Prop 27 generates hundreds of millions every year to get people off the streets and into housing. On the other hand, Prop 26, not a dime to solve homelessness or treat addiction. Prop 27 has strong protections to prevent minors from betting and strictly prohibits betting on youth sports. Prop 27, no protections for minors. Prop 27 helps every tribe, including disadvantaged tribes. Prop 26, a money grab for the wealthiest casino tribes, leaving nothing for disadvantaged tribes. The differences are important, and the choice is clear. Vote yes on 27. Ad paid for Californians for Solutions to Homelessness and Mental Health Support, a coalition of housing and mental health experts concerned. Major funding from Penn Interactive Ventures.
For more information on contests on this station, go to 1013.com/rules.
iHeartRadio Fiesta Latina is brought to you by the Juvederm Collection. Visit juvederm.com for product information.
This traffic report brought to you by Caltrans.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
eBay, Richmond, there's a grass fire, so traffic has slowed way down 80 westbound at Solano Avenue. You might not have the biggest garage on the block, but with eBay Motors, there's 122 million parts right at your fingertips. Whatever you need, there's something that fits your vehicle. Air filters, tires, seat covers, and more. Get the right parts at the right prices. ebaymotors.com. Let's ride.
KIOI-FM, San Francisco, San Jose.
Star 1013 is an iHeartRadio station. Available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app. Number one for music, radio, and podcasts all in one.
To the heart, I never kissed a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Oh yeah, I want it all. Let the stick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Oh yeah, I want it all. Got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes, I wanna drink that smile, I wanna feel like our souls on fire, I wanna stay up all day and all night, yeah, you got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that, and when you
since the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. We're doing second date update. I kind of want to put a pause on it and just kind of revel in the success of yesterday's win.
It's always nice when something works out and it was just a simple misunderstanding.
You know what I'm saying? We actually got two people together. Unbelievable. This is good news for Travis, who's on the phone right now. Travis, you there?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
Bro, we're on a roll. We're on a one-win roll right now.
Let's see if we can keep the streak going.
Keep the streak going for sure. Yeah, right? So we're going to help you hopefully get a second date with this woman, Kat, who you met. So let's tell everybody how you met and how the date unfolded, okay?
All right. We met on OkCupid. You know, we kind of hit it off on the messages. You know, fingers on the brake. We connected. We got a lot of mutual interest there. Like, you know, we both like dogs, hiking, and trying new restaurants and stuff like that. And we decided to meet up. We went to this barbecue place in Berkeley, and I mean, not to toot my own horn, I feel like it went really well. You know.
You feel like you were amazing?
I mean, I wouldn't say amazing, but, you know, I didn't feel like we had some conversation, we had some good food. The one thing that maybe it's a problem, she's older than I am, which wasn't fine. You know, it was fine for me, but, you know, maybe it was a problem for her.
How much older?
It's like 5 years, 4 years, something like that. That's not bad. Yeah, right?
Once you're out of high school, it doesn't matter, does it?
I'm older than my husband.
Okay. I see you, Mom.
Really?
Yeah. It's only 4 years.
So, barbecue, you thought you were awesome, you thought it went fine.
She's kind of, sort of ghosted me a bit. She's not really getting back to me.
Okay.
Well, that's what we're here for.
Yeah. So, we'll have you on the line, mute your phone, because you seem to make a guy that makes a lot of noises. And we're going to call her and see what's up, okay?
That'd be great.
Let's do the song and we'll do it next. Second date update, Star 1013.
Step on, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through. Someone saw the window to your right. She goes left and you stay right. Just
you know.
Travis is like, what's not to love? Okay.
Yeah.
So you went on this date with this woman, Kat, and now is this a full ghost we're dealing with?
I mean, it's definitely a specter of some sort, for sure.
Okay. Let's give her a shot and see what's up. We're going to get the date from her perspective. So mute your phone. Here we go.
Yeah.
Hi, Kat. This is Marcus and Corey from Star 1013.
Sounding very official, Kat. Good morning.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Oh.
Well, we work at a radio station. That's what Star 1013 is. And we do a morning show. And on that morning show, we do something called Second Date Update. And that's where a couple has gone on a date. And then one person kind of just having to be that person.
Hi. So
Hi, okay.
can we ask you about your date with Travis? He would love to take you out again. He's feeling ghosted. We're just trying to get some details.
Hey, that answer is a full-on no. Never again. Just, I can't even believe that he'd want to actually even ask me out again, because that was the worst date of my life. I had to call my therapist afterwards to decompress from that.
Okay. Can we get some details?
All right, so we met on some online thing, and then we went to a restaurant. He ordered ribs. He just chewed with his mouth open, and the worst part was the barbecue sauce on his hands. He just wiped all over his shirt and his pants. It was so embarrassing. I was like, what am I doing here? It's a practical joke. I don't know. I was actually really embarrassed, you know? I mean, I'm almost 4 years old. This guy is a few years younger than me.